Hey guys, this is Mike from B Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at the Samsung A54 5G Iron Armor case by Ghostek. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are looking at the Ghostek Samsung A54 case. Shout out to them. They did give me, or they did send me this case with the Samsung A14 case, which I'll be looking at in a little bit here. But I will post up an affiliate link in the description down for you guys below, so you all can check that out. Again, I get a small kickback from that, and as well that helps small YouTube creators like myself. So if you guys are interested in a case like this, go ahead and click that link below and check that out. Again, it helps my channel out big time. So again, we'll go ahead and get the case going here. So here's the Samsung A54. You guys already know that I've had this device for a couple of weeks now and I've been enjoying it, but here's the case itself. So this is what's called the Iron Armor case. And the Iron Armor case, again, it does have a 1-card pocket slot, so if you guys are on a quick errand, you can put that one debit card that you always use in there. Again, it is slim, precise fit, so I shouldn't have issues putting the phone in there. Raised camera lip, so again, added for that added protection. Survival belt clip as well, so again, if you guys are out doing any type of like work, like construction work, or let's just say you work outside where you need quick access to your phone and you don't, you can't put your phone in your pocket, that'll be helpful also. And again, a non-slip grip, so and a lifetime warranty. And again, I already pulled these out, but let me go ahead and show you guys this, the little Ghostek logo, right? They always send like a little sticker with that. And again, thank you for your purchase, agent. I'm assuming this will come in all of the all of the packaging here. So let's go and get this open here. Again, I love this device, but it's super slippery in the hand. So I definitely, you always need cases like this for protection, guys. Protect your investment, right? Because phones are not cheap anymore. Even the mid-range phones are going up in price. This phone is valued at around the between $450, I believe, right? I got it on sale though, so I was very lucky. But wow, I can tell you right now that this case feels extremely good in the hand. It does have the belt clip on it, so let's just go ahead and pull that off. Take a look at the belt clip. I wanted to see if this has maybe some sort of swivel. I thought it did, but it doesn't look like it for the most part. But it does just have that clamp there that you can kind of clamp on to your belt. It does have that Ghostek logo there as well, so again, we'll take a look at that later. And I don't have a belt on, so I probably won't demo that, but again, for the most part, we can check that out. So it looks like it does come with a small screen protector as well, which I don't know if I'll be using for this device, but I guess we can check that out. Again, I don't have a screen protector, but hey, if it's a free screen protector, definitely will make use of that. So let's go ahead and pull this out really quick. I think more case manufacturers should do that because not everyone wants like those little plastic covers that you get with a case, right? Or with a case that kind of goes all the way around. But in this case, they just send you literally a one of these, which is kind of like a screen protector. I don't know if it's a glass screen protector. It certainly feels like it. I mean, it doesn't feel cheap. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at this case all the way around, right? So it's got a very, very nice matte finish is all I'm going to tell you guys, right? It looks extremely nice. It feels extremely nice in the hand also. It's very smooth in the back. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at that little kickstand really quick. So the little kickstand, obviously, you have to pull this out to get the phone to stand up here, and it doesn't feel. I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't feel cheap, right? Like I've used phone kickstands before, and this one feels very high quality. Although if you look at it, it does poke out a little bit. So definitely, I'm more of a type of person that likes their phone flush, but again, it does help when holding the device in hand because you can just kind of do that. Let's go ahead and put the phone in. It's gonna just set in just like it should, right? And we'll see if it's hard to put in or a little easier to put in. Let's find out. And I don't know why my screen changed. That's interesting. Okay, interesting. So it should just pop in. I kind of struggled there a little bit, not really, but again, for the most part, let's go ahead and open it. Let's see if my device opens. That is so weird. That is super weird, guys, because I had literally just a different background not even 5 minutes ago. I don't know why the background changed on my device, but anyways, so feeling for this case. First of all, the case is not heavy. Like you would think with an armored case like this that it would feel a little bit heavier in the hand, but it doesn't, right? I feel like it's a very lightweight case. It doesn't really add much to the weight as far as the phone goes, because the phone itself is a very decently heavy phone. Again, let's take a look at the top here. You can see here that it does have that little microphone cut out there. You do have, again, you do have that little port for the speaker there, your port for the USB Type-C, and again, the other microphone cut out as well. Over here on the side, again, you have your volume rockers and your power button. And again, you know, overall, it's just a nice little case. And I really thought it was going to be a little, since it's kind of like a rugged case, right? I really thought it was going to be more, I guess, heavy, you know, again, because again, a lot of these cases are pretty heavy. But again, you know, coming with this little kickstand over here with this little side clip. I don't know if you have to put the phone facing down. This is what it looks like with that. Again, it doesn't let you rotate it. I thought it would let you rotate it. At least I'm trying not to force it. Oh, I guess it does let you rotate. Okay. So you can kind of have it where the phone is kind of like against you on your waist there, rather than having it stand vertically. It'll be horizontal, right? Which is what most people would want in one of these. It was just a little hard for me to kind of turn it, which is good, because the phone is not going to be swiveling around if you have it attached to your belt, right? The only thing I kind of don't like about like these is like, if you know, for me, my belt, obviously it holds your pants up, but you know, if you add weight to something like on this, like on the belt, it's going to add weight to the pants. So it's going to feel like your pants are kind of pulling down. But again, I guess it just depends where you put it. Really not that bad though. I really kind of do like this. Let's see if I can get it out now. So that's the thing, like just being able to pull it out, easier access, right? So I guess you would maybe want to pull the device out from there, like and it comes out pretty easy, honestly. For the most part though, guys, very nice, very nice phone, or not nice phone, but also nice case, right? So I definitely want to give Ghostek a shout out for sending this out. I definitely appreciate the way it looks also. And again, let's take a look at that little pocket case for a debit card as well. I don't have a debit card on me to show you guys, or maybe I do. Hold on, let me get my wallet out really quick. I definitely don't want to share any personal information though. Let's use my runner favor card, and I'm gonna probably put it upside down just so you guys can see here. But again, you can just slide in any type of debit card. It looks like it only has room for one though. So again, but I want to know like how far you can push that in. It looks like that's probably as far as you're gonna get it. It looks like it's very flush. And again, it does have like that little finger thing to pull it out. Although I feel like, you know, it's a very tight squeeze. You kind of have to pull it out gently if you don't want to damage your card, obviously. So definitely very nice, you know, again, especially for people that, you know, work outdoors, they really can't carry a lot. I could see someone, again, that works in construction using this, or again, just somebody that has any type of job where they have to, you know, use a belt clip for their phone. Very nice case. And again, right now the case is $24.98 on the website, and you can even get it cheaper, I believe, with the affiliate code that I'm going to leave in the link in the description for you guys below. You guys will get a small discount from what I believe. Let's take a look here. So, but anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the other case really quick. This is the Samsung A14 5G case, and again, I don't know if this case will actually fit this one. Again, it was in the same campaign as the other one. Let me see if I can get it to come out. It seems like it's wanting to be a little bit on the let's make things harder for B-Tech over here, guys. Okay, hold on, let me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. So there was actually a piece of tape holding the plastic down. So again, this is the A14 Samsung A14 5G case. This is called the covert case, and again, just gives you kind of like the same information in the back, right? I've actually used one of these cases before, because Ghostek has sent me out cases before on, I believe, my iPhone 12 mini. So I'm gonna try to see if this case actually fits the A54 as well, just because it's very nice looking case as well. And it does have the same cutout in the back, but again, you just get a lot of good stuff here as well. Ghostek, flash your equipment and hashtag it with Ghostek. Okay, so no screen protector with this one. As you can see, it is a clear back. So let me go ahead and see if I can pull this out really quick. Again, You got to be extra careful when taking cases out, because again, if you're too rough, the phone might just pop out and fall on the floor. So there we go. And again, this is a very nice case. Like I see myself using this with this phone. Okay, it's a little bit smaller, right? But you guys get the gist, right? So the A14 5G obviously is not the same build and model as that, but I'll just kind of give you guys like a brief description of this case, right? So it is a clear case, right? And it looks nice. I'm not gonna lie. Like I really like the clearness about it, right? Of course, you know, with these clear cases, you will get, and let's pull this off really quick for the ASMR people over here. Yeah. So anyways, you will get a lot of what's the word, kind of like dust, I guess. Like if you put this in your pocket a lot, you're gonna notice like lint starting to build up in the corners here, which is one of the reasons why I'm not too much of a fan of these clear cases. But regardless, at the end of the day, I want to give Ghostek a shout out for sending me the A14 case as well, right? I will leave both links in the description for you guys to check out, right? And of course, you know, hopefully you guys can, if you guys have these devices, which again, this is the Samsung A14 5G case. Let me go ahead and just show that to you guys here, right? A14 5G, and again, the Samsung A54 case for the other case over here, which is the Iron Armor case, which definitely feels really good in the hand. Again, I really like just the way this case feels. It's a little tough to put on though. I don't know if it's because I'm putting it on wrong. Maybe I have to start with the top portion first and then go to the bottom. But for the most part, like, it should just pop in. But either way, again, just check out those edges really quick, because this is what it looks like if without any type of screen protector, right? So you definitely want to make sure that, you know, the phone does have some sort of like nice edging pointing out from the front of the screen, so that if you, again, you drop your phone, you know, on its face, you're not going to get instant cracks. You know, that portion of the case is going to protect it. So again, guys, definitely want to give Ghostek a shout out again for sending both of these cases out: Samsung A14 case, Samsung A54 case, Iron Armor, and the Covert case. And again, guys, this is Mike from Tech Review signing off. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button. If you guys like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.